Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
Camera Cine Dollies.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hi guys, and welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about the Proaim Polaris slider. We worked with it for several weeks now, and I must say I'm really satisfied with it. First of all, let's start with the case. The slider comes in a really nice case. The case is a little bit heavy with all the equipment in it, and that's why they made some wheels underneath the case, so you can roll it with you to every place you want. That's a big benefit for us. The case is filled up with foam, and everything in the case is really organized. So that's the way we like it, and that's the way we want to work with this nice piece of gear. The 8-feet track we are using today comes in a custom-made bag and is really easy to use with the universal track adapters. Today we use Tom, but I recommend putting them on a C-stand or on a light stand as we are using here today. The 8-feet track comes in 4 pieces of 4 feet, and you can put them together with some nice rubbers in it. And the connection is really tight, so you can slide really smooth over it and you don't experience any bumps. In the middle of the tracks, and the surface is straight to slide on. And straight up the slider plate is mounting a monitor, for example. Today we are using the 75mm bowl for our tripod, but if you use a 100mm bowl, you can also use this adapter. The Proaim Polaris slider is a great tool, for example, when you roller and you want that movement, and it has to be there. So in the end, the Polaris slider from Proaim is a great tool to use on set.